Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to link Payoneer to TikTok account. So here, just have to make sure that your accounts are ready. So just open your TikTok application in your mobile device, and then you should have a verified Payoneer account. Okay, so with the ID and bank info confirm. So after that, just have to open your TikTok application in your mobile device, and then go to your profile. All right. So after that, if you are a TikTok creator, just simply click on the TikTok studio that you can find here. That's right. And then here under the monetization, click on the TikTok shop for creator. Okay. And then here, click on the earnings option. Right. And then you'd be able to see here your available balance. So all you have to do is to click on the withdraw balance option. So for the method, we have manual and auto withdrawal. So I'm going to choose the manual, then click on save after that. Now click on the withdraw balance. So here on the withdraw money section, click on this add a new withdrawal method. Okay, and then here just have to choose the Payoneer from the list. So if you can find the Payoneer here, just have to simply click on it and then you will be directed to a Payoneer website. So you just have to log in with your Payoneer account or create one and then just have to approve the connection and confirm. So as of the moment, Payoneer is not available in my region to connect with TikTok. So all I have here are the bank transfers and Gcash. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.